What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, and I am just coming back from our first ever Savage Retreat. We had the great and wonderful Bill and Christina Schindler out here this past weekend for the inaugural retreat, and it was absolutely amazing. I've never done a retreat before. I've been to a lot of conferences. I've spoken at many conferences. I've had booths at many conferences, and the conferences are great. They certainly have their place. But the one thing I didn't want to build was another massive conference where there's just not that much opportunity for intimate connection. I wanted these retreats to be the epitome of true, authentic, deep connection. And I feel like we successfully checked that box this past weekend. So we had, like I said, Bill and Christina out. They're the experts on all things ancestral human nutrition, how to prepare foods as we always have as a species, how to make use of every part of that animal, how to make delicious food with that animal. And we ate like freaking royalty this past weekend. So they came out, we had fireside chats, we cooked all kinds of food, we had a hog roast, we made all these different ornate dishes, we did a nature walk, we did all kinds of cool stuff, cold plunging sauna, the full 9 yards. We went for a gym workout when it was all said and done on Sunday. There was only about 15 or 16 of us there. We were on this big lodge that I had rented out for the weekend right there on Beaver Lake in Northwest Arkansas. And the whole setting was just designed to be intimate. Like, we didn't have this super rigid itinerary. We had this plan. We stuck with it pretty close, but we had opportunity for people to break off and have more, deeper connection, conversation pieces throughout the weekend. We were all sleeping in the same building, so we'd wake up, have coffee together. It was just awesome. Like, it was truly, truly awesome. I feel like everybody that was there would agree with that statement. Everything I've heard thus far has been positive, but rather than me rant and rave about how great it was, I'm just going to throw this footage up that kind of showcases and illustrates some of the things that we did. But I'm excited about these retreats. We're going to start doing this on a more or less quarterly basis going forward, kind of following a similar protocol, the smaller intimate settings. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. I think this is a very tangible way I can bring people together. And when you bring like-minded people together that have a goal, that have a vision, that have, just a desire to improve, then magical things happen. So huge shout out to Bill and Christina. This is their book, by the way. Huge shout out to everybody that was there, and highly encourage y'all to come to the next one. All right, enough of me talking. Let's roll some of this footage.
If this edge was the clean rock on the inside, you'll see this is sharp already.